What's up, you guys? It's your girl Anna and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, your girl got a new wig and I'm just here to review it for you guys and to let you know what's up, let you know if it's worth the coins. Now this honey is Model's Miss Jocelyn. Now the miss is not on it. I had to put the miss on there because I think this is my grown and sexy wig. This is not my young, wild and free wig. Honey, when I put this wig on, I feel like I'm about to go to a PTA meeting. I'm about to be somebody's mom. But on a real, this is definitely more of a work wig in my opinion. That's where I'll be wearing it to. No, it's not Miss Jocelyn, okay? It's Model Jocelyn, and it is just a lace part wig. There is no lace for you to like do much baby hairing. Let me just take her off. I'm afraid I look cute or whatever. Okay, so Miss Jocelyn, all I did was to cut off the lace off of her, and this is what she's looking like. The usual construction. She's a side part wig that you can turn into a middle part, but it's gonna look kind of weird. You're gonna have to cut her, and she comes with a comb right here on the side, then two back side combs and a rear comb, I believe. Yeah, a rear comb where the tag is right here. Of course it comes with adjustable straps, and right now mine is not really adjusted, it's just on the regular loose setting. She is a human hair wig, they say, 100% human hair, and I did go ahead and I got her in a red color. Yes guys, I'm trying to be a little bit adventurous. I didn't get her in a 1B or a number 2 or a number 4. I got a little color, and I've never had a red wig before. So this is the stock card of Model Jocelyn. So as you can see, definitely a mom vibe going on from this model. These are the colors that she comes in, that you can get her in, and of course mine is the OT99J, and that's the burgundy. So let's put her back on my head now, okay? She is pretty easy to just put on and go. I would suggest though, if baby hairs are your preference, I would make some baby hairs right here because I think the line of demarcation is a little bit strong on her. The parting is really natural though, I can say that. I have not plucked anything, but because this is just so straight in terms of the hairline, I would definitely go ahead and either pull her back or make some baby hairs. I am going to do that. But this is what the color looks like up close. And of course it's human hair, so you can go in and do some additional curling and styling if you want to. This is the back. Let me show you guys. Not much hair in the back section. I hope it looks nice because I haven't seen it, but I can feel it and it's not much hair at all. So generally I would say it's a little thin, it's light, so it's perfect for summer. There isn't much hair. I think most of the hair is literally on the bang section of things. If you don't want it in your eye, if you are somebody who don't like hair in your face, this wig is not for you, honey, because it's gonna constantly be doing this, okay? It's gonna be doing that and you're not gonna like it, okay? So yeah, this wig is not gonna be for you. Probably you can try to pin it that way, but honestly I don't think that would look that cute. So just leave this wig alone if you do not like hair in your face. But I'm really feeling it. Getting my older woman vibe on. Sitting down in business meetings and stuff, and oh my god, I'm gonna be killing it when I step into the office with this wig. Honey, what you was saying? Hi, I'm Mrs. Bryson. Nice to meet you. But yeah, it's a pretty affordable wig to add to your collection. It was just around $20-something or probably 30. I'll leave links to it in the description where I got it from Glamourtress. I'll try to find the cheapest links. You guys know I live for wig types and Ebony Online and all those sites. That's where I get most of my synthetic wigs. So it's good that I could get a human hair wig for $30-something. And this is something that I can put heat on and play with, unlike my other synthetic wigs. So it is a little bit of not my style kind of thing, but I like it. If you guys like it, if you guys what do you guys think? Do you guys think I should leave this wig alone? I should have not tried to be somebody's mom. But if you guys like it and you guys are rocking with me with this wig, leave a comment below. Tell me, who do I look like in this wig? Ooh, child, look at this. Ooh, I can put it in front of my face. Yes, honey. If you guys like it, just leave a thumbs up in the thumbs up section below the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can keep up yes, we were distracted. So as I was saying, if you guys liked this video and you like this wig, girl, leave a like below, hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button as well, you guys. It really helps out my channel so I can know that you guys like my content and you guys want to see more of my hair reviews and hauls and try-ons and all that. So yeah, until next time, I love you guys and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. What on earth is he searching for?